The old way is broken. Everyone tells you that you should build a personal brand. Go and create content every day and get a big following, get people to like you, get that attention. But it's not necessary. And that old way is really broken. The daily posting, the waiting for referrals, the hiring of agencies. Agencies don't care about you. They will never learn what your business model is. And it's just broken. And there is a better way. And my view is that you can use your professional experience and go and get clients immediately. When I came online in 2022 to grow my own business, I tried the personal brand building. It was nasty. Every day I'm like, what? It was such a drain. It didn't help. After a couple of weeks, it didn't make a difference. And yes, I understand that you should do it for a year, but I didn't have a year. I wanted to get clients in that first 3 months. So I did what I've naturally do since 2006 when I came online into X, and is to go and engage. Go out and participate. So I found somebody that has 280,000 followers in LinkedIn, and they were all founders and tech people who were building their companies, and I was offering marketing services. So I would comment and participate and share my experiences and results, and people would click through and book a calendar appointment with me. They were my perfect target audience. I was able to have a conversation, talk about how I could help them, and convert them into 4-figure retainers. And I said, forget this personal brand thing. And so then other people were having trouble finding clients. So I said, okay, let me help you. And so the CRO, who had tried agencies and spent tons of money, and he was struggling, and I showed him in a half hour how you can do this, how you can use other people's followers who they are following, and they are addicted to that content, but they're also looking for solutions. In a month, he was able to book 5 meetings. And he said, Connie, this has changed my life. So it is possible. And now I've expanded it so that I am also using other people's newsletters, doing partner swap. And so this last week, my goal is each week to get 2 meetings. This last week, I got 7 meetings booked from 1 newsletter swap and 75 new email subscribers. So whatever channel you choose, you can do this. And so the personal branding thing is just, it's broken. I mean, it's not broken, but it's building a brand. It's not getting clients. And so my view is you can take your professional experience, update your profile, no matter which channel it is, YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram, X, and put what you do. And then once that's optimized, then you can go into other places where your target audience is at and get meetings from there. You can get calls set up with people who are interested truly in what you do, and they want to learn more. And that is what I teach in Growth Rebel. It's a direct way to connect with people who are interested in wanting your services. And it is the warmest way. It's the most effective. And I love teaching people because you shouldn't have a content grind. You shouldn't dislike what you're doing. And you shouldn't be going out looking for attention. It should be around creating content and having a habit that helps teach you, like, yes, that's an idea I can tell a story about. And also the channels. My goal is to teach you a habit that you like to do, and it takes the pain out of business development because you should be getting results. So check the link down below, subscribe to my channel. And I'll tell you more about these kinds of things because business development can be fun and it can be interesting and it can be easier if you're sharing your story and then going out into channels and getting in front of prospects who are interested in what you do and maybe would like to get your services.